It is also exactly a year since a mob killed one person in the gathering, and the violence that took place, many others were injured. So what really had taken place? Clashes had broken out last year today, January 1st, 2018, when Dalits visited Koregaon Bhima to commemorate a 200th anniversary of the victory of the East India Company's forces, which included the Dalit Mahar soldiers over the Brahmin Peshwa's army. One person lost his life in the violence. When asked if a notice had been served to another right-wing leader, Sambhaji Bhide, who along with Ekbotke is accused of instigating the violence of the 1st of Jan 2018, the police officials did not give any specific reply. A senior police officer said later that Ekbote and members of the KKM have been barred from visiting the area.
1st January is the day when members of scheduled castes arrive at Bhima Koregaon near Pune to pay homage to the to the soldiers who fought the battle of Bhima Koregaon in 1880 against the Maratha regiment at that time. Every year it has been celebrated, and this year is the 201st anniversary of the Bhima Koregaon battle. Last year, in fact, at the same event, violence took place in which one person died and several others were injured. There was damage to the property, cars as well. From what we know, there are like 5,000 police officers, personnel who have been deployed. Then there are drone cameras. As you can see, the drone cameras are also being deployed here at Bhima Koregaon. Then there are CCTV cameras as well as a lot of SRPF companies and home guards as well, which are being deployed. If we remember, last year the violence took place, and this year that is why the government doesn't want to take any chances, and that is why in order to maintain the law and order here at Bhima Koregaon, they are ensuring that they are stopping the cars from going directly to the war memorial. About 8 kilometers from the war memorial site, they are stopping the cars and they're taking people from the buses that you can see here. They have arranged for buses to take people who will be coming from different parts of the country to pay homage to the war memorial. They are taking these people in these buses, then the buses are being deployed for the people to take them there. Also, there is a facility of food and toilet as well. In fact, the police is ensuring that complete law and order is maintained, and that is why, as you can see, the drone cameras, CCTV cameras, hidden cameras are in place everywhere in Bhima Koregaon as well as in the Pune city. But the police is ensuring that law and order is completely maintained, and that is why, as you can see, the police has barricaded entry of private vehicles. And there are parking places here where you can park your private vehicles, and they have arranged for buses to take people from here. Police is expecting around 5 lakh people from the lowest caste community, the Dalit community, to come and pay homage. But this year they are ensuring that the law and order is maintained at Bhima Koregaon and no violence take place at the site. In Bhima Koregaon, with camera person Rajendra Thale, this is Purva Chitnis for NDTV.